Okay, this is a review of Venn diagrams. We're going to start with a little bit of a advanced example in your blue book, Integrated Algebra, page 404, example 1. So it says, in a class of 30 students, 19 study French, 20 study Spanish, and 7 study both. What percent are not studying? Draw a Venn diagram. Now, the first thing that you might be tempted to do is something like this. 19, let me make that a little bit darker. 19 study French, 12 study Spanish, 7 study both. Now, I wonder if you can see what our problem here is. If you add 19, I've got my calculator here, plus 7 plus 12, you've got 38, and and we're told that it's a class of 30, so somehow these numbers are not correct. It seems like the intuitive way to do it, but it's not correct. So let's get rid of at least these. So we know there's 30, and we know 7 are in both. So, and we know 19 are in French, but that counts this 7. That was the trick. That counts this 7. So we have to say it's 19 minus 7, right? And that Spanish is 12, but that counts the 7 as well. So it's 12 minus 7. So 19 minus 7 is 79, 12. And 12 minus 7 is 5. So now it's starting to make sense with the numbers. Let's add that together. We have 12 in just French plus 5 in just Spanish plus the 7 kids that go to both. That's 24. And we know there are 30 kids, so this X, which is how many are in neither, must be 6, right? Because 24 from 30. But they didn't ask what number, they asked what percent. So it would be 6 out of 30 and if you divide top and bottom by 6, you get 1/5, and hopefully you will have memorized that 1/5 is 20%. But if you haven't, if you just enter into your calculator 6 divided by 30 equals, you should get 0.20 or 20%. So the tricky part with this one is they tell you that there's 19 in French, 12 in Spanish, 7 in both, and as you see, if you just throw 19 in French, you make an error. So take a good look at this and study it a little bit. All right.